Hi everyone, I want to talk about the ultimate guide to passive income. My ultimate guide. In terms of work, in terms of setting up a side hustle or a business, um, if you want to largely have your businesses passive, you need to have a good staff and you need to have everything set up so you don't have to do so much. So as I've pointed out in other videos, um, setting up my Airbnb business was a lot of work at the start, but once it's up and running, I'm basically just directing people, and that literally takes just minutes each day. I've got to check messages from guests, but I even have my staff checking on messages as well, especially when I travel. You need to be able to set up. You need to set up automatic messages inside Airbnb, which is really easy. And you can set the date, set the timing on when those are sent. Not the date, but set the timing, like one day after a guest books or immediately after a guest books. I use an app called Line Message to message my staff about who can clean on a certain day, things like that. So yeah, literally it's about 5 minutes a day. In terms of investing, of course, that is passive income. I mean, that's kind of the definition of passive income to me. I use mutual funds. It's easy where I am in Japan, but you may want to be into index funds or ETFs if those are easier. Cryptocurrency is very interesting. Don't invest in don't invest any more than you can lose. Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of those things, all of those vehicles are very, very interesting and I think have a bright future. If you look at the world, we are going more and more digital. So it makes sense that we'd be going more and more digital in terms of our money, in terms of our currency. Why would we use fiat money, the paper money that's difficult to carry around when everything else is digital? It just doesn't make sense. We don't use CDs anymore, virtually. Cassettes are long gone. All of those things are long gone. So yeah, all of those things. Passive income, of course, too, can be from a rental property, not necessarily Airbnb, but a rental property that you rent out to someone. It's less hassle than Airbnb. It's not as much money, but we do that as well. So those are the kind of things that we do for passive income. And yeah, I would make sure that your money is not just sitting in the bank. You want it invested in something. So do your due diligence to maximize your passive income. Thank you for watching.